how to download Cloud Code on Windows. So as you can see, I successfully downloaded and installed Cloud Code. All that I have to do is simply come and then select the model by clicking on the down arrow. And I'm simply going to go for the latest model, that is Opus 4.7. After selecting it, I have the option to come and then chat with it. So I'm going to say hi Cloud, and after typing it, I'm simply going to send it. Okay, and then you see that Cloud has responded and it is working perfectly fine. So let me show you how to do the exact same thing. Okay, so all that you have to do is just go to Google, and then from Google search, come and then type cloud.ai just like this, and then hit enter. So when you hit enter, it's going to bring you right here to the platform. At the top where it says meet cloud, come and then put the mouse there. You have the option to come and then select Cloud Code. So click on it, and after that, over here, all that you have to do is simply scroll down. And then from here, you can see that we have use Cloud Code where you work. And then over here, you can come and select the option that you prefer. So we are simply going to go for desktop. Okay, come and put the mouse on desktop and click on it. And after that, scroll down and you see that we have Cloud Code on desktop. And from here, you have the option to come and then click on download cloud for desktop. Okay, so simply come and then click on it. So after clicking on it, it will bring you right here where you can download it. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on download for Windows. And that is it's going to be downloaded. So as you can see, it has finished the download. Simply come and put the mouse on the open, okay, and click on it. So when you click on it, it's simply going to download fully and install for you. And as you can see, it has successfully installed. Come and click on get started. Okay, so when you click on it, it is going to ask you to sign in. So you have to have a cloud account, okay, and then you can come and then put the email right here just like this. Okay, and then simply come and click on continue with email. After that, they are going to send you the link to log in directly from your inbox. Okay, so let's go to your inbox. So from your inbox, this is the link. All that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on sign in. It is going to ask you to open it. So come and click on open cloud, and automatically you'll be signing. Okay, so over here, come and click on continue, and that is it. You can come and then click on full screen, and you can start using Cloud Code on your Windows. Okay, so you have to come and select the model. So I'm simply going to go with the latest one. We have all this. Okay, so I'm going to go with the latest one, okay, by selecting it. And after that, I'm simply going to chat with it for you to see. So I'm going to say hi Cloud, and after that, I'm going to send it by clicking on the send button, and you'll see that Cloud has responded, okay, and it is working perfectly fine. So I'm going to ask it that I just installed it and I want to see that it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so after typing it just like this, I'm simply going to click on the send button, and you can see from here that Cloud has responded that everything is working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to download it on Windows. Like the video, and then see you in my next video.